Back in 2006, the company I worked for decided to deploy Microsoft Dynamics CRM 3.0, and my boss said, "Hey Gus, can you go ahead and deploy this? Since this is made by Microsoft, how hard can it be?" And just like that, I became a brand new CRM administrator. 10 years and over 200 deployments later, I'm here to share with you the top 5 things I wish I knew when I became a new CRM admin. Number 5, think like a user. I was an IT consultant back in 2006, so I approached everything, including the deployment of Dynamics CRM 3.0, as an IT project. The design and customizations were done from the functional point of view, and the ease of use and performance were secondary. Well, over time, I learned that a simple solution that performs super fast for the user is better than a technically complex solution that performs slow. Yes, a technically complex solution might be beautiful for people like us that appreciate and understand what has been done, but the average user wants simple, straightforward, and fast, so always keep that in mind. Number 4, always look for opportunities to learn. If you're in the middle of a deployment, try to be more engaged. Join your partner in the customization process. Watch videos and webinars online. Read blog articles and anything you can get your hands on. There is no shortcut to the top. Every subject matter expert spends countless hours learning how different features and solutions can improve the Microsoft Dynamics 365 deployment they're working with. Number 3. This one is connected to number 4, and it is simple. It is hard to learn, really learn, if you don't have an environment you can safely practice with. Depending on your Dynamics 365 deployment, you may have access to a free online sandbox instance. Or if your sandbox instance is being used for something else, get a 30-day trial and practice. Try new things. Add fields, add users, try some new chart and dashboard skills. Maybe take a couple hours to learn something new like leveraging Excel and Word templates. Maybe the new Relationship Insights functionality. Or anything else you want to learn without breaking your production environment. You don't want to start making changes in production and potentially make changes that can be hard to fix. By the way, speaking of hard to fix, number 2, you need to tighten up your security. I remember 10 years ago, my boss, our CTO, our CEO, and a few other managers all asked to be system administrators in CRM, and I, of course, agreed. Well, things started popping up, and we had no way of knowing who added things. Fields and forms were changing, new people were suddenly admins, data that had been imported 2 days ago was gone, you name it, tons of issues. I wish someone explained to me how dangerous it is to have a bunch of system admins in CRM and the risks that are involved. Follow security best practices and deploy a simple and flat solution if you can. The less the amount of business units, security roles, and teams, the better. Remove delete permissions for all users on the entities they're using and teach them how to deactivate records instead. Implement a governance model, even if it's simple. There is a chance that every minute you spend creating a plan that prevents unauthorized changes to the system and/or data loss will save you an hour or even a day working to repair things up in the future. And lastly, tip number 1, understand that you're not alone. The Microsoft Dynamics 365 community is amazing. You can go on Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn and immediately have access to the best subject matter experts in the world. From amazing developers to infrastructure experts, from veteran business leaders to brand new administrators, you can find all kinds of people willing to share their experiences and to help you succeed. If you haven't done so already, join the CRM user group and see if you can start attending your local chapter meetings. We are all in this together. In summary, if you're a new Dynamics 365 administrator, think like a user. Relentlessly look for ways to learn. Get an environment where you can practice what you've learned without limitations. Tighten up your security in your production environment. And always remember that you're part of a community obsessed with making you better, with helping you succeed, and continuously inspiring you to get after it.